In this German lesson, we're going to talk about the difference between sein and haben. Sein and haben are two of the most important verbs in German, and you're going to be using them all the time. So it's worth getting comfortable with them early on. Let's look at the verb sein first. You'll use sein to talk about who you are, where you are, and how you are. So our different forms are ich bin, I am, du bist, you are, sie es ist, he she it is, wir sind, we are, ihr seid, you plural are, and sie sind, they are, and you formal are. If you ever need to come back and reference those, remember to go to the A1 German course materials and you can download the German verb conjugation reference sheet. So those are all free resources you can download with this free course. Let's look at some example sentences. Ich bin Anna. I am Anna. Du bist müde. You are tired. Ist in Berlin. He is in Berlin. Wir sind hier. We are here. So let's see if you can remember the correct forms and drag the words into the correct box. You can do this exercise for free at the A1 German course website linked below. After you're done, check your answers to see if you're right. And let's move on to the verb haben. Haben means to have. You use haben to talk about what you have, people or things connected to you, and age and possession later on in more contexts. Let's look at the forms of haben. How do we conjugate it? Ich habe, I have. Du hast, you have. Sie es hat, he she it has. Wir haben, we have. Ihr habt, you plural have. Sie and sie haben. They and you formal have. Let's look at some example sentences. Ich habe einen Hund. I have a dog. Du hast Zeit. You have time. Remember that Sie? It sounds like a TS. Du hast Zeit. Zeit. Not Zeit. Zeit would be with an S. So we're talking about time. We want to say with a TS, Zeit. Sie hat ein Buch. She has a book. Wir haben Hunger. We are hungry. Now practice using haben and drag the words into the correct boxes. Now let's use sein in some simple sentences. Let's review. Ich bin müde. I am tired. Du bist nett. You are nice. Ist da. He is there. Wir sind Freunde. We are friends. Remember, our pronoun is first, then our verb, which is a conjugated form of sein, bin, bist, ist, and sind, and then the rest of the sentence. We have an adverb or an object or some other phrase. Now let's use haben in simple sentences. Ich habe Zeit. I have time. Du hast ein Handy. You have a cell phone. Sie hat einen Bruder. She has a brother. Wir haben ein Problem. We have a problem. Let's compare. Ich bin Anna. I am Anna. Ich habe ein Buch. I have a book. Du bist hier. You are here. Du hast Zeit. You have time. We're using sein for identity, place, or condition, and haben for possession and having things. In this next exercise, you'll have to choose between haben or sein and the correct form. So complete the exercise, check your answers, and I'll see you in the next lesson, lesson 9.